Good morning, students. I hope you all are doing well. And today we will start with another subtopic, plants which hunt. Hunt means to chase or search for the purpose of catching or killing. Hunt means to chase or search for the purpose of catching or killing. There are some plants which trap and eat frogs, insects and even mice. Students, supposing you saw a mouse at your home, okay? Then what will you do? You will try to catch the mouse with the help of a mouse trap. So, there are also some plants which traps frogs, insects and even mice also. And after trapping, it will eat them, okay? The pitcher plant Nepenthes is one such plant. You can see the picture of a pitcher plant. The pitcher plant is one such plant, okay? That this plant attracts the insect, okay? You can see the insect. This pitcher plant attracts the insect, and after attracting it will kill, okay? And after that this plant will digest the insects. It is found in Australia, Indonesia and Meghalaya in India, and we can find this pitcher plant in Australia, Indonesia and Meghalaya in India. It has a pitcher-like shape and the mouth is covered by a leaf. And you can see it in the picture, it has a pitcher-like shape. Pitcher means a large jug, okay? Everyone has seen a jug, right? It has a pitcher-like shape. And the plant of this mouth is covered with a leaf. You can see it here, leaf, okay? The plant has a special smell that attracts insects to it. And this plant has a smell, and insects gets attracted by a smell, okay? When the insect lands on the mouth of the plant, it gets trapped and cannot get out. What a clever way to hunt. And as soon as the insects come here in this plant, what happens? The leaf closes, okay? The leaf closes, and when the leaf closes, the insects cannot move out, okay? So this is the way how pitcher plant hunts. So we will talk about so many seeds, okay? Over here you can see in the picture of many seeds. How many types of seeds can you collect? That means, what are the types of seeds can you collect? Where will you find them? They mean seeds, okay? Where will you find these seeds? Each of you should try to collect as many different types of seeds as you can. That means each of you must try to collect as many different types of seeds as possible, okay? After that, put all the seed collections together. Then after that, what you have to do is, you have to put all the collected seeds together. Now observe these seeds carefully. Their shapes, sizes, colors, textures, smooth or rough. Then what you have to do is, while observing these seeds, you have to see their shapes, sizes, colors, textures, smooth or rough, okay? Then make a seed chart to put up in the class. You can start with a table like this. Here the question says you have to make a chart, but now no need to make a chart, but what you do is you make a table like this in your notebooks. Okay, so here you have to write the name of the seed. You have collected different types of seeds. Okay, here you have to write the name of those seeds, and here you have to write the color of the seed, and after that you have to draw the shape of the seed, and you have to touch the seed and feel it whether the texture is smooth or soft. Next is, here you need to think certain things. Okay, did you keep any seed, soft and cumin or jeera in your list? You have prepared the list. Okay, and in your list whether you have written the name of any seed and cumin. Okay, which was the smallest seed and which was the biggest seed in your collection? And you have collected different types of seeds, and out of those seeds which was the smallest seed and which was the biggest seed? Okay, so you have to write the answer according to your collection. Next is make list of. You have to prepare the list of all these things. Okay, seeds that are used as spices in your home. That means this one maybe like jeera, coriander, sauve, ajwain, fenugreek, which are used as spices in your home, right? Like that you have to prepare the list. Seeds of vegetables. Here you have to make the list of vegetables which have seeds. Okay, like lady's finger, brinjal, bitter gourd. Okay, and next is seeds of fruits which has seeds: apple, mango, papaya, guava. And light seeds means which can be blown by air also. Okay, like cumin, coriander seeds. You have to write seeds which are flat. Here you can give the example of apple. Okay, apple which has a flat shape. Make more groups. How many groups of seeds did you make? So just try to make groups. Okay, which are edible seeds, which can float on water, or which are seeds which are blown by air. Just in this way you can make groups. Okay, do you know any games that you can play with seeds? Discuss with your friends. If you know any games which you can play with the help of seeds, you can discuss with your friends. Okay, from here, name of the seed. Okay, from here till this one, make more groups. How many groups of seeds did you make? Till here you do it as a homework in your notebooks. Okay,